Crystal Dynamics, Nixes, Square Enix, Eidos Montreal. The way it's meant to be played. I'm not reading all that. Anyway, Shadow of the Tomb Raider, Tomb Raider of the Shadow, Shadow of the Tomb Raider, Tomb Raider Shadow, 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 Shadow. Ding Dong Dang. Continue. Continue, continue. Shadow of the Tomb Raider, Survival Instincts. While in combat, Survival Instincts highlights enemies seen by their ally. Once engaged in combat, Lara can disappear by breaking line of sight with her enemies for a few seconds. Press C to scramble and elude enemies. Tab opens the map for a summary of available artifacts, side missions and secrets. Well, that's bloody good to know, isn't it? Shadow of the Tomb Raider was created by a diverse and talented team comprised of multiple genders, backgrounds, ethnicities, religious beliefs and personalities. Although the game is not based on real-life events and represents a work of fiction, it was developed in conjunction with a historian and cultural consultants. This variety and partnership were both instrumental in crafting the world you're about to experience, and then there was another line which I didn't get a chance to read. And, once again, for our friend Mike Sherlock. Boom, boom. That is really bassy in my ears. That's nice. That is really nice sound. Has to be said, that is really, really, really nice sound. Square Enix. Or Squeenix. There's Lara Croft. She is looking absolutely gorgeous.
I'm gonna level it!
I would like to stroke her hair. Can't believe I just said that. But no, seriously. Fantastic graphics, which are in collaboration with Crystal Dynamics.
There are no parachutes!
There are no parachutes. She knows. The plane is falling apart.
Get ready to jump!
No fucking way!
She wants you to jump.
Don't know we have to!
Are you out of your fucking mind, Lara?
We have no choice!
I'm not jumping out
You
of
have
this
to
plane.
jump out of the plane, Jonah. See? Or the plane is going to jump out of you. So, now, this bit always... Why is she putting the seatbelt on?
Come on!
She was talking about jumping out of the plane, and now she's putting the frickin' seatbelt on when there's no plane left. That's just a bit stupid. Do you not think? Escape, exit to main menu. Yes. Jacka jacka bango bango. Squid. Yes. Okay. Stop recording. Yes.